Good morning. It's Kelly from the County Brant Public Library again with another project. We're going to do a string vase this time. I actually quite like it. I thought it was fun to do in a string vase mason jar. This is on an old piece of barn board that I had at home. You won't be getting a barn board like this, but it gives you an option of what you can do with it when you learn the process. So today I've just got a piece of pine I've started to put the nails in already. So string art, you work with nails. So you need a little hammer at home. I thought I was gonna like the pine, but I think in the end, I think I'm gonna actually paint it black. But just for today, I'm just gonna kind of show you how to go about doing this. You're gonna have a pattern. For my sample that I had finished, I actually had the pattern sitting on top. But for this one, I actually just drew it on myself. So however you're gonna do it. You can draw your own vase, you can do a different shape than the mason jar. It's just a fun process. So basically what you do for the string art is you do an outline of your vase. And I usually do like a finger between each nail. Of course, you have to be careful with the nails. And I've got this sweet little hammer that just fits my hand perfectly, but if you want to borrow your husband's for the day, I'm sure he won't mind. So just do, I'm going to give you a pattern and it's going to show you where the dots are, or the nails should be placed. So you kind of get the idea of what it's going to be like. Now once you've got all your nails in, then you're going to start to string it. So on my sample, I actually just did white and I quite like it, but I kind of thought later that I might have tried to put a little bit of blue underneath to dictate that it's like water in the jar, but however you like. But I really like the look of just the white. And the flowers I've just got from the dollar store, so you can change it up for the season, but you just have to remember you have to have a very thin stem to slide in the string art because it's not very thick, okay? So that gives you an option of changing it up. So to start your string art, I just use cotton embroidery floss, so it will be in your kit. So I just literally just tie it on one of the nails. As you can see, I haven't got all the nails done, but that's okay. You'll get the process. You'll get the idea. Tie it on one of the nails. And then you just start stringing. One thing I do suggest when you're doing your string art is to actually do it, I'll show you on my sample. It's the best way to do it. I've actually got it so that you can see that there's an edge. And you just do that just by stringing, and you'll get the idea of it anyway. It's not that difficult to do. So go up and then back and forth and up and down and around until it's all full, however thick you would like it. Everybody likes it a little differently. I like mine fairly thick. In fact, I do sometimes 2 or 3 different levels of it. But if you want to try the blue, it might have turned out quite nice as well. So again, just enjoy the process, have fun doing this. I think if you're gonna get a board like this, you might think about changing the background color, but you can do it to suit your own decor. It would be a nice project to have on an outside gate or an outside wall, so you could change the flowers, or if you a nice small one in the corner of your bathroom. So string art has been around for a long time, and there's lots that you can do. You can do it very intricate or just do something simple like a mason jar. So again, as I always say, enjoy the process. We'll see you soon.